Hey guys, so right here we have a USB-C adapter, so it allows you to plug in an audio jack and also charge the device as well. So if you have a phone that doesn't have the audio jack anymore and you would like to, plug in a pair of headphones if you have some, this product right here can be the solution for that. Very lightweight. It kind of will go along your phone, so the design is pretty functional for sure. Um, the 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 port itself is durable, and the casing it's all metal, so you don't have to worry about it bending or anything. Like, there's no play at all in this design. So yeah, if you're looking for a adapter, check this out.